think that America as a whole needs to get fit. We are becoming one of the most obese nations in the world. More and more people are becoming more and more morbidly obese and being diagnosed with weight-related health issues. This is mainly because we have poor eating habits and we're not as physically active as we need to be. By the end of this speech, I will persuade you to become more physically fit. There are dozens of many reasons why people should be motivated to become more physically active and exercise more. One of the main reasons why we need to become physically active is because exercise keeps us healthy. Moderate exercise of at least 30 minutes a day has so many positive effects on our body. It helps lower our blood pressure, decrease your chance for heart disease, improves your cholesterol levels, it lowers your chance for stroke, and it improves weight loss efforts. Frequent exercise can also help lower your stress levels. During exercise, the body produces and releases endorphins that appear to relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety, and it helps to improve mood. So if you're having a bad day at work, hey, why don't you stop by the gym, hit the treadmill, go for a walk, and see if you don't feel a little better. By exercising more and becoming physically fit, you increase your lifespan. You better your chances of being around and being able to enjoy life. You can be more active with your kids and your family. You will also feel better about yourself. Becoming more physically fit will help you love the new, healthier you. Now that I've given you reasons why we should become more physically fit, let me give you a few simple ways to help jumpstart your road to physical fitness. Before you begin any exercise program, always talk to your doctor to make sure that you're healthy enough to work out. Your doctor may place you on certain limitations at the beginning so that you don't hurt yourself. If you're super motivated and crunk to get healthy and fine, you can join a gym and get a personal trainer. This will ensure that you are working out properly. If not, there are other ways to get in healthy and are less cost effective. Remember, always start off small in the beginning. Taking small steps will help keep you motivated instead of trying to start off fast and you lose interest in it. Small things as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking in the parking spot a little bit farther away from the door, can be beneficial to your health and get you started. Along with exercise, you may want to think about making gradual changes to your diet. Nowadays, with everything so quick, fast, and in a hurry, it's hard to eat a healthy, balanced diet, especially with all the fast food restaurants around. But by eating more fruits and vegetables and whole grains and less sugars and fats, you can help reach your healthy goal. Another key to becoming physically fit is to fight through the boredom. Switch up your routine every now and then, and that will help you keep from falling into the monotony. Doing something fun that doesn't actually feel like working out will also help keep you motivated. I've discussed why we should exercise and different ways to get started. If you want to live longer, healthier lives, then let's get